Now we are going to see about relational operator. For that we have less than operator, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. Okay. These operators are used to compare two different quantities. For example, A and B are two variables. We are using less than operator here. So this is called a relational expression. The expression which contains a relational operator is called a relational expression. So this is a relational expression. You will compare A and B. Okay. Now A equal to 5, B equal to 3. The value of relational expression will be true or false depending upon the condition. A is less than or equal to B. Since A is equal to 5, B equal to 3, the relational expression is A is less than or equal to B. So the result will be false, which means the result will be 0. True for 1, false 0. Okay. Since A is less than, since A is greater than B, so this expression fails. Look at this expression. A is not equal to B. This not equal to operator is used if first we have, think about in this manner. Don't bother about not operator. First we have to check whether A equal to B. If it is A equal to B, then we have to consider not operator. If A equal to B, this expression is true, then the result will be false. If this expression is false, then the result will be true. Okay. Okay, or A equal to 5, B equal to 3. Now, A not equal to B. First we don't need to consider this A equal to B. So, the expression fails. While considering this not operator, it will become true. So, the value is true. While considering this A equal to B, since we already studied about assigned operator, single equal to. A equal to 5 means we are actually putting the value of 5 in A. So, in situation we need to compare two quantities. That's why we are using double equal to operator. This is the relational operator, we are using this. So, it will compare these two, whether they are equal or not. Since A equal to 5 and B equal to 3, it failed. So, the result will be 0. This is the relational operator.